Hello friends, how are you? So welcome back to my YouTube channel PC and Windows with another interesting and new video of PC settings. So in this new video we are going to discuss a very important setting about PC. So watch the video till end and you will be amazed after watching this video. So in this new video we will discuss that how to reset device to factory defaults. Alternatively, you can reset the computer to the factory default settings to start fresh with a clean copy of Windows 10 to improve startup and shutdown, battery life, and overall system performance. But there is a warning for you. If you choose to erase your files, you should consider creating a full backup or making a copy of your files to an external drive before proceeding. To reset a device to its default settings, use these steps. First of all, go to the start button. So here is the start button and then go to the settings. After opening the settings, click on update and security. So here is the option for update and security, just click on it and then go to the recovery option. So here is the recovery option, just click on it. As you click on recovery option, under reset this PC selection, click the get started button. So here is the option for reset this PC. Windows 10 reset this PC option. Click the keep my files button. As you click on get started, there will be shown option. Click the keep my files button. You can also click the remove everything button to erase everything and install a clean local reinstall. Select the local reinstall option. If you want to clean installation of Windows 10 without the apps, click the next button and then click the reset button. Windows 10 reset device option. After you complete the steps, Windows 10 will be reinstalled, removing previous configurations, settings and apps to help you boost system performance. If you select the option to remove everything, remember to restore your files from a previous backup after the process. If you want to install Windows 10 from scratch, check out our in-depth guide to clean installation. If this video helped you a little, just like the video and share it with your friends. Don't forget to check out our other videos about PC settings. Thanks for watching.